Okay, I think that's all from us.
Any questions?
No, I don't think so. Thanks for your time.
I liked her.
Yeah, certainly seems to know her stuff.
Who's up next?
It's Helen Phillipson.
Ah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, no, sorry, nothing. Well, she is autistic. But she's very bright.
Okay.
No, really, she's very capable indeed. In fact, she's an admin assistant in another team at the moment.
Good for her.
Exactly.
I'll call her in. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Hi, Helen. Very good of you to come and see us today.
You're welcome.
So, can you start by telling us a bit about why you would like the role of administration officer?
Okay, well, I've been an administration assistant for almost 3 years now, and I'm looking for a new challenge. I know some of the people here, and I love working for the NHS. So I'd like the challenge within the organisation instead of looking elsewhere externally.
Great.
3 years. Wowee. That's great stuff. Really impressive, Helen. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay, so, Helen, what's the hardest part of the job you're doing now?
To be honest, the routine. The first year or so, it was great learning all the new processes and procedures, but by now I can do it all in my sleep, and I just feel like I'm not being pushed enough.
Thanks, Helen. Can you give me an example of a time when you have shown kindness and respect at work?
Yes, I get on really well with my colleagues, and one time, Jill, who was really upset, I cheered her up by taking her out for coffee on our break. We chatted a bit, and she seemed a bit happier. I think she was just stressed because of some trouble at home.
Gosh, I didn't know you could do that sort of thing.
Do what, sorry?
Moving on, can you tell us about a time in your career that you are especially proud of?
Yes, the way they were managing internal mail before I started was very archaic. Documents were getting lost all over the place, so I devised and implemented a new digital and log system so that documents that could not be digitised could at least be logged, and the loss of items was reduced by 96%.
Very impressive.
Blimey, Helen. That's blown my mind. Phenomenal stuff. What sort of challenges do you anticipate, think this new role will provide?
The added responsibility will take some getting used to, and there's a whole world of new procedures I'll need to learn, and the internal how-to documents aren't that easy to follow.
Crikey, yes, yeah, they are very boring, aren't they?
No, they're just badly written. They're not super accessible, but my colleagues have been fantastic at helping me, and after a few tries, I can do it all by myself.
Isn't that kind of them?
Helen, sorry. Can you tell us a bit about yourself outside of work?
Yes, I go to drama club, which I love, 3 times a week. And we're rehearsing Hamlet, and I'm Ophelia.
That's nice of your parents, driving you there so much.
What are you talking about? I get myself there.
Gosh, you are very independent, aren't you?
Well, yeah, I've been living on my own for 6 years. I'm nearly 27.
Gosh, and you get yourself to work every morning as well, do you?
Yes, I cycle to work every morning. Like I said, I'm 27.
I'm so sorry about this, Helen.
It's okay, I'm used to it. You all talk about being respectful and kind, but how are you going to get your staff to act like that if you can't get through one interview by following your own values? You know what? I don't think I'm going to be a good fit for your team. Goodbye.
I'm so sorry, Helen. We'll speak soon.